I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. This is an OWO skin, and it's basically a haptic vest, but this one has electrodes, so technically it electrocutes you. I love pushing the elements of immersion when it comes to VR, and if I can feel actual pain in VR, you know I want to sign up for it. So the OWO team sent this out to me, and I had to give them a size, so I'm hoping it's the right size, and it kind of looks like a swimsuit. Here's our vest. Oh, it's heavier than I thought. Oh well. Am I the only one who instantly thinks of OWO? Alright, let's try it on. And I think it tells you to take off the little plastic bits. So apparently, when you take these off, you have to put them back on when you're not using it. That sounds a bit intense. Ooh, it feels weird. Yeah. Oh, whoa. This is my Beat Haptic Vest in comparison. So this one's like definitely heavy and bulky, and it has like 40 vibration motors in it. Whereas this one, I think it's got vibration stuff, but also like electrodes, and that's what those things are. But yeah, not the most flattering outfit. So maybe it has these bits here if you've got big biceps. I've been going to the gym. I don't think I do yet. I assume you're meant to wear a shirt under this, like it's see-through, right? Let's take off these little electrode things. It's like fully sticky, like, can you see that? I don't know about this. I'm nervous. I was excited, but now I'm starting to get nervous. How many? There's so many. Oh my gosh, so I've done them. Ew, 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 it feels weird against my skin. Stop it. It's so stuck. Oh, it feels like putting on a wet wetsuit. That's what it feels like. Put on the OWO skin and check the gels are in contact with your skin. Like, on my skin? I'm not this thing's see-through. I'm not wearing it without a shirt underneath. What does that mean? Man, it makes it hard if you're a girl to do this. Oh, there's ones here. How am I gonna do these ones? Yeah, this really isn't set up for girls. I'm really nervous. I've had a few people warn me, they're like, oh, these things hurt. Okay, I think I got it working on my phone now. It beeped. Play. Play. Oh! I felt it! Okay, maybe the mild setting's too mild. That's the problem. Okay, I can't feel chest ones. Oh, okay. Okay, I had the setting down way too low. 8. Oh my God! It's like you've been tasered. Can I test it all at once? Play. Oh my, ow, ow, what the fuck? That's weird as. I don't think this one worked. Definitely see why you don't want to wear like a top with this. What the hell? Now that I know it's working, I know I have to turn the settings way up now. I had it way too low. Before we get into the rest of the video, we have a message from today's sponsor. Psych, it's me. I'm today's sponsor, and I'm here to tell you all about my new merch. I've been wanting to release merch for the longest time, but I've finally done it. And when I designed my merch, I really wanted to make stuff that wasn't just my logo chucked on a shirt. I wanted to make stuff that VR gamers would be proud to wear. We got the virtual reality club tee, got the VR Illuminati hoodie, and also a little Naysy skull logo, which you probably see me wearing a lot in my videos because I really like wearing it. Also got a little coffee mug and a mouse mat, which I really love. I've got a bunch more stuff in the works, like some dresses and some other cool stuff as well. But check out naysy.com if you want to see what's available on my merch store. But now, back to the video. All right, it's telling me that I've finally got it working. Let's try. Can I shoot myself? Holy fuck! Too intense. Okay, I don't want to get it. Oh my God! It activates when I shoot. What the hell? Okay, super hot. There's nothing super about this. Punch him. Oh, it activates. Yucky. Ugh, in the nuts. Ugh, in the nuts. Oh, it's like a legit tense machine on my muscles. Holy crap. Ah! God, I don't want to touch anyone now. Ugh. This little. Ugh. Come on, bro. Come at me, bro. Come on. Do I have any weapons? Oh, I do. Ow. Whatcha? Oh, it activates. Stop it! It tickles. Okay. Dodge. Do I have anything to dodge? Ah! I think my neighbors think I'm dying. Hey, don't shoot me, please. I can't handle it. It's too intense. Oh, every time I shoot it activates. So I filmed a bunch of content using the OWO suit and checking out different games, but I totally didn't record any of the gameplay audio. But I did jump into some mixed reality, Blade, and Sorcery and recorded the audio then. Oh boy. Oh no. Ow! Ow! Come on, you weaklings! Come on, you cowards! Come at me! Oh! I'm scared. Come and kill me, please! Come and kill. Oh! Oh! Ow! 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 I put on endless mode. Oh, fudge me! This is too much. Ow! 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 Go away! Go away! Get out of here! Oh, I'm bloody dead. Okay, maybe that was too hard. On guard, dickheads! Ow! Down! Ow! 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 Oh, I lost my sword! Ow! 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 My sword! Where's my sword? Get away! Get away!
I'll try spinning. That's a good trick.
Ow! Oh, I think I'm dead. This haptic suit definitely adds a lot more panic. Got the electricity. Ow! 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 Stop it! Stop it! Go away! Ow! 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 Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Okay. Ow! I hate this. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, dear God. Okay, let's save this for another day. Alright, I've set the OWO suit up in Mixed Reality Beat Saber because sometimes it's just a lot easier to do it this way. I hope it's working. Ow! Fudge! Ow! 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 I turned it up really high and then it's way too high. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm turning that shit down. What the hell? I think I turned it down. Oh, ow. Okay, yeah. Still really... what the hell? I don't like it. Oh. Is this unsafe? The back one's really... Oh, getcha. I haven't missed any yet. Oh, I don't like it. Stop it. What if I miss? Oh, yeah. No, let's not miss. It's like someone's like stabbing you with like toothpicks. That's what it feels like. So should you buy an OWO skin? The question you should be asking yourself is whether you have a death wish or not. No, but seriously, this thing does hurt like a lot. I haven't even turned it on to full yet because I don't trust it 100%. I do question how safe it is. Like there's been no long-term studies on this kind of technology. So I'm giving you a big warning if you are interested in one of these. Please read all the health and safety warnings that comes with it because this stuff is serious business. In terms of comparing it to the B Haptic Vest, like they're kind of quite different experiences. Like this one just vibrates and it tickles. So you don't really get that like pain immersion, but it kind of emulates it, but it's kind of like a funny little tickle. Whereas this is like, it feels like pain, like actual pain. The other thing is it's 500 pounds to buy, so it's pretty pricey, and I do wonder about the longevity of it with these electrodes, like the sticky electrodes. I don't think it's gonna last forever. And because of the sticky electrodes, I don't think it's great for girls. Like if you wanna wear anything underneath, it kind of stops the electrodes from sticking on all parts of the body, so that's kind of a downside. And at the moment, this thing's pretty new. It's just come out and there's not a lot of games that support it yet. So I imagine over time there'll be more and more games that support it. But at the moment, I think it's only working with like PC VR type stuff and you have to install mods to do it. So make sure you do your research to make sure the games you want to play support the vest. But will I continue to use this vest? Yes, because I love ridiculous VR immersion accessories. I just think it makes for such fun, ridiculous gameplay content. I'll definitely be using the heck out of this and playing it with all types of games and hopefully making videos for you guys on it as well, including a Beat Saber and maybe Gorilla Tag video using the suit. But that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to write banana in the comments if you watch all the way through, and I'll see you next time.